Hey everyone! Today we'll show you how Cleverific's customer portal works with customer accounts extensions. I'm going to show you how this combo lets your customers handle their own orders while taking work off your team's plate. Cleverific's self-serve extensions plugs right into your store's order status page and keeps your theme looking sharp. Your customers can make changes right where they check their orders, no extra portals, and no need to bug support. First up, let's get your customer portal set up in Cleverific. Pick how long customers can edit orders. Set up any order tag rules that you need. Choose your cancellation settings. And pick what kinds of changes customers can make. Alright, now let's get these self-serve extensions going in Shopify. Head over to Settings, Checkout, look for the Configurations section and click Customize. Select Order Status in the drop-down menu at the top. Click the Apps icon on the left. Find Cleverific Order Editor. Add your customer portal extensions with the plus icon. Select where the action should be added. Check how it looks in the Checkout Editor. And hit Save when you're happy with it. Let's check out the extensions you can add. The Change Order block puts the main editing options and editing window in one block. Or, if you'd rather break it up, you can add these to the Manage menu. Cancel Order Menu item for when customers need to cancel their order. Edit Order Menu item for order edits. Change shipping address when delivery details change. You can also turn on Edit Item if you want customers to edit their items right from the order list, or use Change Order Block to show everything in a new tab. Here's the important bit. Once you're done testing, you need to go back to your Cleverific app's customer portal settings and hit Turn On. Without this step, your customers won't be able to edit their orders. That's a wrap for setting up Customer Portal with Customer Accounts extensions. Your customers can now handle their own changes, and your team will spend way less time on support tickets. Got questions? Drop us a line at support@editorder.net or check out our docs. Thanks for checking our video.